Hey, today I'm going to show you the under seat drawer that's on a Golf, Volkswagen Golf Mark 7, GTI, Alltrack, whatever. So here's the drawer. It's the drawer. It's pretty small, but basically all there is this Torx bolt right here, and then down here there's a slot in the metal here that it fits into, and same thing on this side. Okay, so there's also a bolt right there that's holding on this bracket. Take that off. And there's can't really see in there, but right in there there's another bolt. There you can see it right up in there. So you have to have the drawer popped out in order to get to it. Okay, then there was this clip right here that was on here. I just pulled this away, and then I tipped the drawer forward, and then it just comes out. So that's it. Alright, so this is right here is clip. There we go. So you need this clip for the bolt. Now there's another one over here too. Right here. Okay, so those two. Alright, so on the passenger side, this airbag module is in the way, and this drawer will not fit on the passenger side, so you can't put it on the passenger side. So I guess if anybody wants this, I will sell it on eBay or something. So complete drawer, but it was worth a shot. But now you know you cannot put the drawer on the passenger side. It's just not going to work. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Auf Wiedersehen.